Now more than ever, homeowners are looking at their bathrooms as an increasingly important part of their home decoration. The year is shaping up to be a great year for bathroom decor ideas, with several hot, new trends hitting the marketplace. You can now integrate your bathroom into your home decor and create intimate, luxurious spaces that cleanse the body and refresh the spirit. These bathroom decor ideas range from the quirky to the glamorous. Bathrooms aren't just for convenience anymore. There are deeply personal living spaces where you can soak in nature, spend time with your significant other, or just even relax with a glass of wine and a good book. 1. A tranquil space for the body and spirit. This sleek modern bathroom combines form and function into a relaxing living space that is in tune with nature. The large windows, rocks, and ferns bring a sense of the tranquility to the bathroom that is heightened by the natural wood floors and cabinets. The clean, simple lines of the porcelain tub and sink add to a zen-like feel, as does the excellent use of space. The expertly designed cabinets provide plenty of storage, while the large vanity can accommodate more than one person. 2. Luxury in a limited space. A luxurious bathroom is possible, even if you have limited living space. This highly functional bathroom artfully combines everything you need into one small area. The long design of the stand-alone shower gives you a plenty of room, and the artfully placed tub fits perfectly without taking up any legroom. Also, the sleek fixtures provide ample storage for necessary items. This design, with its rich color scheme of bronze and gold, also makes the space seem larger and gives it an unmistakable old world glamour. 3. Blue coastal bathroom idea. If you're lucky enough to have a home with an ocean view, this is a bright and elegant bathroom design. The pastel blue wall color will enhance the ocean view, while the aquamarine accessories and the green and coral tile are the perfect color complements for beachside home decor. The Victorian-inspired clawfoot top invites you to soak and enjoy a good book, while the stand-alone shower features all of the modern amenities. This bathroom is also a luxurious living space. You can pull up a chair by the fireplace and enjoy a glass of wine and a glorious sunset. 4. Flower Power Bathroom Design. This fun and funky design is perfect for a second bathroom makeover, especially if you have a young girl in your life. The bright wallpaper is a great way to appeal your bed and your teenager's love of color, while at the same time covering up the dated and dark bathroom designs that are all too common in old homes. The nifty vanity gives everyone plenty of room to complete their morning hygiene routine. Plus, she and her girlfriend can pull up a stool after school to experiment with makeup and beauty tips. The clean white cabinets and 3 mirrors also help to lighten up the dark space. 5. Bringing the great outdoors inside. These bathroom decor ideas are ideal for both lovers of nature and avid DIY. Outdoors types won't be able to resist this carpet of grass, flowers, and ferns, which bring a fresh and relaxing feel to the bathroom. The outdoor carpet covers a great deal of space, so it's also ideal for remodelers who need to cover up an entryway or something unsightly in an older homes. Whatever your reason, the outdoor carpet is the centerpiece of this design. The stark white walls and utilitarian design of the top and sheer complement to the riot of green that is the centerpiece of the room. Six, rough around the edges. Not everyone is a fan of chintz furniture and pastel wallpaper. So, with that in mind, here's some bathroom decorating ideas for the rugged individualist. This bathroom combines a utilitarian style with a bit of whimsy, using wooden boxes for storage and electric bulbs hanging from extension cords for lighting. The concrete floors and gray marbled walls also enhance the construction zone feel of the room without going up or over the top. Despite the rough edges, this is a fully functioning state-of-the-art bathroom with an elegant shower and tub. 7. Sophisticated style for small bathrooms. If you just have a small space to remodel, you probably want the bathroom ideas that won't break the bank. This guest bathroom has been completely redone with just a coat of paint, new fixtures, and some new flooring. The intricate blue and white tile brings the whole room together. The deep blue wall color adds a touch of elegance to the room, while the white cabinets bring the light to a dark space. The elegant silver fixtures and the fresh flowers makes this a room you and your guest will want to return again and again. 8. Pretty in pink. This eye-popping bathroom decor is for the fashionista who has everything. The 50s inspired design has Puritan vanity, where you can primp in style, and there is plenty of storage space for your Monolo blankets and designer bag collection. The funky fixtures and the swirling wallpaper enhance the retro feel, while the clean white tile floors brightens up the interior. This bathroom has plenty of cabinet space for your cosmetics and beauty care items, while the recessed lights will add extra light when you applying cosmetics and beauty treatments. 9. Minimalist chic. Apartment dwellers have unique challenges when it comes to a bathroom design. This simple yet chic design lets you maximize your style, even when you have a minimum amount of legroom. The square shape of both the sink and toilet is modern and stylish without taking an extra space. The Cubist-inspired tile design is a great way to add a bold pop of color to an otherwise muted palette. Plus, if you don't like yellow, you can choose tiles in a rainbow of colors. The medicine cabinet is also a subtle way to add light and style to small space. 10. A rich Roman mosaic. You will feel like you step back in time with this unique bathroom decor idea. The mosaic tile and stone floors recall the Roman bathhouses, which were a luxurious part of life during ancient times. The spacious shower feels more like a spa, while the large, elegant tub is ideal for a rejuvenating whirlpool bath. Although this design is shown in a large space, you don't need a huge home to make it work. The placement of the furnishings work quite well in a small bathroom, and the simple niches are elegant ideas for the storage space. Now more than ever, homeowners are looking at their bathrooms as an increasingly important part of their home decoration. The year is shaping up to be a great year for bathroom decor ideas, with several hot, new trends hitting the marketplace. You can now integrate your bathroom into your home decor and create intimate, luxurious spaces that cleanse the body and refresh the spirit. These bathroom decor ideas range from the quirky to the glamorous. Bathrooms aren't just for convenience anymore. There are deeply personal living spaces where you can soak in nature, spend time with your significant other, or just even relax with a glass of wine and a good